Alright, this is the backyard and slash driveway garage for the J00 floor plan. So here's the garage. Share another garage with the lovely people next door. Already got built-in shelves here. There you go. Ignore the crappy landscaping right now because the previous tenants didn't do a good job taking care of it. You may or may not have a big old tree in your backyard or over your house. So this type of tree sheds a lot out here, so you're gonna get a lot of these kind of sheds here. The gutter's gonna get filled, so you're gonna have to call maintenance, get it done. Yeah, red clay's a thing here, so be prepared for that. Just the patio, back doors, side door here to the laundry room. Got your little sink here, which is nice, especially those that need to clean their gear. You can do it right here. Laundry machine's go in that corner, and you have a little utility closet here to put stuff. And this will lead into the kitchen. So you got these nice pantry shelves here. You got a new dishwasher put in. Same double sink here. Little island. The little net booth thing, whatever. I forgot what they're calling it. This is the living room slash dining room. Here. Another closet. We got one of the new AC units here put in. There's another closet here. And downstairs restroom. It's not bad. This is another living room over here. And on top, switchboards right here. And the front door, man. There's a little space here. You can probably put like a shoe shelf here. And upstairs, it's a 3-bedroom home. Oh yeah, that's how the lights are on the wall. Probably put something up there. So, another linen closet here. Put your bed sheets, comforters, towels, whatnot. Let's go to the little guest rooms over here. It's pretty decently sized. It's not bad at all. All the closets have the little sliding closets. Put your finger in the air and move it. Okay, and that's your other bath right here. Bathroom here. Pretty cool. Everything seems very nice. Got little shelves here to put all your hygiene products. And you got these right here. No, it's not bad. So, and this is the other guest room. It's gonna be, for me, this is gonna be my office slash storage room, at least for now, with all my gear. And you got another closet here. So you got shelves built into it. Pretty nice. And this is the master bedroom. Not bad, not bad. Got a walk-in closet over here. And you have the master bath here. Pretty decent size. Yeah, unfortunately, the toilet, you gotta close it all the way in order for you to use it. So, I don't know if you can use the toilet like that and sit down and do number two while it's open like that. By all means, show us. And same bathtub, same layout as before. Well, that's it.